You want to interactively send diagnostic requests with the Diagnostic Console of CANoe and evaluate the responses from your ECU? Then let's take a look. Hello, my name is Michael Webler and I'm responsible for the diagnostic features in CANoe and CANalyzer. To use the Diagnostic Console, at first you need to configure the diagnostic descriptions of the ECUs you want to test and the diagnostic window itself. If you have not done that before, check out the first 2 videos of this series, configure at least one diagnostic description and the diagnostic feature Diagnostic Console in the diagnostic window. The diagnostic feature Diagnostic Console replaces the old Diagnostic Console window. You might already have guessed it, this video is about diagnostics. Compared to the old window, there are several new possibilities. One of them is that it's now possible to handle multiple ECUs in one single diagnostic console. You do no longer need to search for the right window on your CANoe desktops. You can expand and collapse the list of services available for each ECU using this button. If you only need a few services for your daily work, you can reduce them by activating the filter Show Only Selected Items and select the services for each ECU individually in the Options dialog. For sending a request, you can either double-click on the service or use the play button at the service. You can see the sent requests and their responses in the diagnostic trace. In this trace, all events from all diagnostic descriptions and diagnostic features configured for this diagnostic window are listed. Use the column filters to filter for a specific feature or ECU. You can export the contents of the diagnostic trace to an XML file, as well as filter for failed events. Since CANoe 18 Service Pack 3, you can even synchronize the events in the diagnostic trace with the contents of the trace window after stopping the measurement. This makes it very easy to find a specific diagnostic event in the trace. Additionally, you can search for a specific service or hex value, like this, and filter for rows containing the search value. And you can now switch the display between qualifiers and names, like in the Symbol Explorer. Another cool new feature is that you can suppress the positive response for a request or send a request to a functional group with just one click. There is an individual checkbox for each service. If the checkboxes are deactivated, this function is not allowed due to the diagnostic description, like for this read service. You always need to get a response, of course. Additionally, you can enter a cycle time for each service to send it cyclically. Be careful not to send too many services cyclically with short cycle times, as the timings cannot be kept anymore once the sending queue is full. In the new Diagnostic Console, you can also customize the columns you want to see. Just drag them to a different position, and by right-clicking on the headline, you open the column chooser to add or remove dedicated columns. The button Best Fit All Columns will help you to optimize the width of the chosen columns. Like in the old Diagnostic Console window, it is possible to create custom raw messages for diagnostic requests, which can also violate the definitions from the diagnostic description. With user-defined messages, you can pre-configure a given diagnostic service with often used diagnostic parameter values. At first, make sure that you did not activate a filter. Then just select the service you want to parameterize, like this one for writing the part number, and add it. You may name it as you want and enter the parameter values for it. With a history of sent signals, you directly jump to the services you have sent before, making it easy to resend a service you already used. The button Vehicle System Groups is only available with specific diagnostic descriptions and switches between class and vehicle system group view. If you need further information, just press F1 and search for Diagnostic Console. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will have a look at the diagnostic feature fault memory. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the Vector Tech tutorial channel, and have a look at our other diagnostics videos. Okay, I'll quickly grab a coffee and then we'll take a look at the fault memory. See you.